Good job, guys. Very good. At Numeric, we believe that the driving force which keeps the world running incessantly, it's not just power, but uninterrupted power. Along with 900 plus engineers and presence in over 1,000 cities, we have been providing uninterrupted power to our customers across India. Our team has successfully been able to create excellent products in the last few years. Remember some of our greatest ones from the past? Though Numeric is renowned for being the leader in the line interactive and single phase category for the last 28 plus years, what many do not know that is today we are a major force in the three phase and modular category too. And today I'm proud to be presenting to you the result of our relentless pursuit to better the best. An amalgamation of thoughtful design, unmatched performance and unparalleled reliability, all in one single product. Or in other words, the power of one. Let there be light, perpetually. Futuristic design, intuitive display and compact footprint. Well, I can go on and on and on. However, seeing once is better than hearing 100 times. So let me give you a glimpse of the features. I'm sure the sneak peek has kindled your curiosity, but the moment of reckoning is here. The power of thoughtful design, the power of reliability, the power to stay ahead, the power of one, presenting the new benchmark in the single-phase UPS category, Premius. Now, wouldn't you agree with me that this is the epitome of excellence? The ultimate example of adding new energy to power. Isn't this truly the power of one?
Good to be true, yeah. I don't believe. Yeah.
Am I in the wrong room?
No, you're not, as we've been waiting for you.
But who are you guys? You're not one of us.
No, we are not. We heard you talking about your new UPS out there. Incredible list of features, I would say.
But a little hard to swallow. Tell us, where does the facts end and the fiction begin in your narrative?
Well, facts are stranger than fiction, as the saying goes. But however, why don't you check out the product for yourself?
We will check your product for sure. But before that, we would like to double check your claims.
Of course, as you guys please.
You mentioned about the design being practical as well as aesthetically appealing.
Yes, what Premius comes with is not just a futuristic design, but a very thoughtful one as well. For example, it has an LED indicator to show operating status from afar and an LCD display for some more information when you're near. It is designed for silent performance because of the microprocessor control fans, and the vent design in the front panel allows maximum airflow and keeps the UPS cool.
Wow. Okay, I see your point. But what about the performance?
What about the performance?
Yeah.
Really? Premius comes with a unity power factor across the entire range that helps increase the power by 25%. It gives you 94% efficiency in normal mode and 98% efficiency in smart eco mode. That's reducing the electricity bills.
What about the space it occupies on the workflow?
Real compact design, I would say. The size of the product is extremely compact with over 10% lesser footprint. Saves precious real estate for the user.
Oh. Will the user be forced to change the whole system to meet the requirement when the business expands?
They can simply add Premius in parallel.
Oh.
With 4 UPS in parallel, it also ensures business continuity by offering N+X redundancy.
Wow.
The charging capacity in this UPS can be expanded by adding an additional charger internally, which gives 2 times faster charging. By the way, do you guys know of any other product which can be as flexible as Premius?
No.
You talked about the programmable output sockets.
Yeah. Premius comes with the programmable output sockets, both Indian and IEC, which can be configured to prioritize the connected equipment to provide extended backup. It also offers multiple communication interface, which allows you to monitor the UPS remotely.
Premius indeed seems to be smart and intelligent.
With so many features in a single product, will the UPS be able to last long?
Much longer than you can even imagine. A conformal coating prevents the printed circuit boards from corrosion, making it very reliable. And that's not all. Premius comes with inbuilt isolation transformer that helps prevent voltage surges as an added protection. Okay then guys, I have to get going. You seem to have ticked all the boxes. Now go ahead and try Premius yourself.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
Can we too be part of your team?
So you want to be a part of the new energy team, which is the force behind the power of one?
Yeah.
Of course. Sorry guys, but it's not for the faint-hearted.
Bad luck.
You saw the results of Numeric's quest to surpass the unsurpassable when it comes to product innovation. Now, let's meet our CEO Palash Nandy, who's as excited as I am about the launch of Premius.
Hi Varun, that was a really good job.
Thank you, Palash. The pleasure is all mine.
I always knew that Premius would be something very interesting, but today, frankly, I'm really impressed. And I'm sure you have been impressed too. The aesthetics, the design, the technology, the attributes, the benefits. I'm sure you've experienced the power of one. Actually, Premius is a good reflection of what we are and what do we do on an everyday basis. We are about innovation that is need-specific. Innovation that gives solutions to your business needs. Innovation that adds value to your business, that's profitable, and most importantly, innovation that ensures continuity of your business. but I'm certain that this is not what you're interested in right now. I think I can read your mind. There are 3 important questions in your mind that we did not talk about, and neither did Varun's friends ask him those questions. Those 3 questions, right? 1, how is Premier's positioned? 2, when can you buy it? And 3, if you want to know more about it or you want to touch and feel it, what you should do. Let's ask Varun. Varun?
Absolutely, Palash. Premius is positioned in the premium segment. And like I said earlier, this now will be the new benchmark in the single-phase UPS category. The good news is that Premius is now available in the markets and our team is ready to take the orders. Our customers can visit our website, follow us on social media, or even call and write to us, and one of our colleagues will surely get in touch with them.
So that's nice to hear.
Thank you.
And by the way, before I forget, that conversation that you had with your friends, intense, but very, very interesting.
I'm sure I have many more to come, Palash.
And I'm sure that premiers will continue to raise conversations like this a lot in the future.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being here. I really appreciate the relationship that we have. Keep encouraging us. Keep pushing us so that we extend our boundaries and we keep surprising you with interesting, good stuff like we did today. Keep healthy, be safe, and I'll see you shortly with another surprise. Till then, see you.